A business event requires planning, organization, and a little bit of magic. Behind every professional event are people working hard to make them memorable. I'm here to tell you there's a better way to do it. Introducing Evite Pro, the better way to manage professional and year-round events.
Are you ready for your 10 o'clock?
Yes, I am.
I'm opening my restaurant in 1 month and I need to invite a lot of people to it. I mean, a lot.
Not a problem. Evite Pro is designed for business, so you can send ad-free invitations to 2,500 guests per event.
I need to stand out from a million other realtors in this town.
Invitations are fully customizable, so you can brand them with your business's logo and colors.
Oh, okay.
Hi. I have to organize our summer outing, a board meeting, the monthly mixer, and our customer appreciation event all in the same month. I just want something that'll make it easier on me. If I could access all my events, get updates in real time, and make edits from anywhere. You're already nodding. You can do that?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
Look, you work hard all year round making things happen. Let Evite Pro work hard for you. Evite Pro is a professional and easy-to-use solution for effortlessly designing, sending, and tracking event invitations.
Are you ready for your next appointment?
I'm always ready.